we're going to create a new sale order first for Great Trade. And now let's add some products.
So you're setting up basically what has been put up on the purchase order on the one side and to the sales order on the other side. Can that be automated?
Sure. Currently, we're working in different databases and different companies, so that's why we're doing this step manually at the moment. But we also have a connect tool to connect different instances and systems or databases, and then we could also transfer those records automated, as well as change the models. For example, when we create a purchase order on the one database, it could be a sale order for the other database or for the other company. So this could be fully automated as well.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Okay, so we have the products here. So let's add one more for the mounting services. Okay. So this is what Great Trade wanted to have. And the drawer and the office chairs are products which will be sent from us directly. And the corner desk black is the product we're going to subcontract. And therefore, there's an option available on the inventory of the products where you can select the subcontract route. So let's confirm this to a sale order first. So here a delivery was created. We can take a short look there. As you can see, drawer, office chair are available since they are sent from our location. And currently we are waiting for the office desk. One more thing you maybe recognized is there was a link created to ITIS Easy Docs. So let's have a look at that. There's a document link. And this is showing the order report. So this one was uploaded automatically to the DMS by confirming the quotation to a sale order. This is also working for quotations, for invoices, for purchase orders. So there's no need to think about what you need to store. It's stored for you automatically in a full working document management system.
So basically, it's just really a document management system behind here. You see that also on the document actions, right? On the right-hand side, you can see what you could do with the document, whether you are going to move it somewhere around, whether you are going to start a workflow, manage permissions, or that you also manage aspects which are critical to route the document throughout the document management system by tagging what kind of document it is. And this is just a part of the functionalities of that document management system, which is really a rich document management system, reliable solution, bulletproof when it comes to any kind of audits and those kind of things. So this is one thing which we find really useful to combine this business solution with the document management solution. It is easy business to it is easy docs.
So back on the sale order, that is confirmed now. We also want to keep track of our subcontracting, and therefore we're going to the purchase section here. So let's have
a lot of new stuff in here.
That's right. So here we can see a contract overview. Since the contracts module is installed, there's a new dashboard where you can see the contracts which are created with suppliers as well as purchase agreements. So you have different types of contracts you can manage with that. And we will take a look into this when we come to the use case with high fiber, because we are going to create a supplier contract there as well.
Okay, cool.
So here RFQ was created. the vendor is ReadyMed, so that's our subcontractor in this case. And as you can see here, we find this corner desk black product here, and we're going to confirm this order to purchase the required products from our subcontractor. Same here, receipt is created. So let's take a short look there, because as you can see here, the receipt is on waiting state. This is something which is customized because normally it's always ready by default. But even if we check the availability, you see that it's not there yet because it needs to be produced first. And therefore, we set it up that we can have a manufacturing order for the subcontractor. We can see that here from the inventory. So here we have a subcontracting MRP for the according warehouse, as well as from the manufacturing itself. So when we open that, we have all products included, which are set on the BOM. And once we check the availability there, it will check for the products. So screws, bolts, and table legs are available in the warehouse of the subcontractor. You can manage that as a normal warehouse, also using reordering rules. In this case, the tabletop is something which is not available since we set this up to be delivered from us to the subcontractor. So when we look at the inventory tab here, you can see another route called material. That means we are going to send the tabletops to the subcontractor, and they are going to build the full desk using that material.
Okay.
Well,
Go ahead.
for that, let's take a look to the inventory. There we have delivery orders, and let's take one action here. Okay, sorry, need to go back. Okay, delivery orders. Here it is. So here we have the delivery order for the tabletops sent to our supplier, subcontractor. So let's validate this one. So I'm just validating all by once. And this is done now. So next step, we can go back to our subcontract and check the availability on the manufacturing order again. So as you can see now, products are available. So we can start the production. And to speed things up, let's mark this as done right away. So now the manufacturing from the subcontractor is done, and we can check our inbound shipment again, which is still in waiting state. But now when we check the availability, the goods are there. So let's validate and receive the goods. And since we have everything in stock now, we can also take a look at the delivery order to Great Trade. So now everything is there, and we can also send the furniture to our Great Trade company, which we did now. So let's get back to the sale order.
All right. So
Of course. Yeah, please.
Basically, it is a process where we have got an order by a customer, where we are then producing parts on our own, where we are subcontracting other parts, subcontractor, but we, at the same time, where we are going to give the order to the subcontractor, put some material aside, which the subcontractor can use for delivering his part. And then the subcontractor, when he's done with his mounting of the desk in this case, he's going to submit back to us, and we can then mark up that we are going to be ready for delivery for the sale order that we've got from our customer.
Right. Okay, so Then let's create the invoice. Since we delivered everything to our client, we can create the invoice for that. Okay. So here we have the invoice in draft state now, and of course we can validate this, that the invoice is created accordingly. Okay. So next we can do here is, since we had a subcontracting and the goods are already received, the subcontractor will also send us an invoice, which we want to attach to the according contact. So let's go there. Okay, so we can go to the purchase. Let's go back to our purchase orders, ready-made, and open the according supplier from here. So this is also linked with our ITS Easy Docs, as you can see, but you do not need to switch to the browser or something like this. You can just open the drop zone from here and see the full document library of the according site. So from there, you can just take your invoice and drag and drop it to the according site. And there you can see now the document is uploaded. Sorry. And you can also see a preview of the uploaded document.
Okay, cool. So don't need to put any kind of work into document management system because it's accessible by the ITS Easy Business solution.
Right, and this is only example. So the integration of uploading documents or this drop zone is on different models. So it's on contacts, it's on fleet management, it's on projects, it's on products, and we can configure it on nearly every model.